10 must-have tools for wilderness survival. When you're in the wild, your survival depends on the tools you carry. Whether you're hiking, camping, or caught in an emergency situation, having the right gear can make the difference between thriving and barely making it. Today, we're diving into the 10 must-have tools every wilderness survivalist should own, from multi-tools that do it all to lightweight gear that keeps you prepared without weighing you down. These tools are designed to ensure you're ready for anything nature throws at you. So, if you're ready to gear up and level up your survival skills, stay tuned, because these tools could save your life. SOG Power Assist Multi-Tool. The SOG Power Assist Multi-Tool is a must-have for any wilderness survivalist looking to pack light but still have a reliable array of tools at hand. With over 16 tools in one, this multi-tool is built to tackle everything from cutting to prying to twisting, all while offering enhanced strength with its compound leverage mechanism. The unique Power Assist feature uses a spring-assisted opening to ensure the pliers and other tools are ready to use with minimal effort. The durable stainless steel body guarantees long-lasting reliability, and the tool features essential items such as a knife blade, wire cutters, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. Its sleek design fits comfortably in your hand, providing a stable grip in even the toughest conditions. Biolite Camp Stove 2 Plus. The Biolite Camp Stove 2 Plus is an innovative piece of survival gear that combines cooking and power generation in one compact device. This portable stove allows you to cook meals while simultaneously charging your devices, making it ideal for long wilderness treks or emergency situations. Using wood or biomass as fuel, it converts the heat from the fire into electricity, which can be stored in an integrated battery pack to charge phones, lights, or other small gadgets. The stove also features an integrated fan to help with combustion, increasing efficiency and reducing smoke. The easy-to-use design makes it quick to set up and use, and the lightweight materials ensure portability. Sea to Summit Ultralight Collapsible Cup. The Sea to Summit Ultralight Collapsible Cup is an incredibly practical tool for survivalists who are looking to save space and weight in their packs without compromising on utility. Made from food-grade silicone, this collapsible cup is compact and lightweight, folding down to a fraction of its size, making it easy to stow in your gear or backpack. The cup holds up to 8 oz of liquid, which is the perfect size for drinking tea, coffee, or water on the go. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or relaxing at camp, this cup offers you a practical solution for drinking in a lightweight and space-efficient design. It also features a sturdy base and flexible walls, which ensures it won't collapse under use. Lichamp LED. The Lichamp LED lantern is an essential tool for any wilderness survival kit, offering reliable lighting when you need it the most. With its bright LED light, this lantern can illuminate your entire campsite, making it easy to navigate in the dark or cook under the stars. The 360-degree lighting ensures that light reaches all corners of your campsite, while the multiple brightness settings let you adjust the light to conserve battery or maximize visibility. Powered by 4 D-cell batteries, the Lichamp lantern offers long-lasting performance with up to 12 hours of continuous use on the highest setting. It's also water-resistant, so you won't have to worry about a little rain. Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit. In any wilderness survival scenario, having a comprehensive first aid kit is a top priority, and the Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit is an all-in-one solution. This kit is well organized and comes with a wide range of medical supplies, from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and pain relievers. It also includes more specialized items like tourniquets, splints, and burn gel, making it suitable for a wide variety of emergencies. The compact, waterproof case ensures that everything stays dry and organized, even in harsh weather conditions. In addition, the kit is designed for easy access. Each section is clearly labeled for quick identification of supplies when time is critical. Please sold emergency radio. The BeaverCraft Emergency Radio is an absolute must-have for wilderness survival, allowing you to stay connected even when you're off the grid. This multifunctional radio features AM/FM/NOAA channels, so you can listen for weather alerts, news, and emergency broadcasts that could save your life in critical situations. It also includes a built-in LED flashlight, which provides reliable illumination during the night or in low-light conditions. Powered by either solar energy, hand crank, or USB charging, the BeaverCraft Emergency Radio ensures you can keep it operational even without access to traditional power sources. Membrane Solutions Gravity Water Filter Pro. Access to clean water is one of the most critical aspects of wilderness survival, and the Membrane Solutions Gravity Water Filter Pro makes that process both efficient and reliable. This gravity-fed water filter uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology to filter out 99.999% of bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful contaminants. The easy-to-use design allows you to filter large quantities of water with minimal effort, as gravity does most of the work. The system includes a 3-liter water reservoir and can filter up to 10 0-liters of water, ensuring you have a sustainable supply of clean drinking water on long trips. Spot Gen 4 GPS device. The Spot Gen 4 GPS device is a critical survival tool for anyone venturing into the wilderness, offering reliable satellite messaging and location tracking. This compact, lightweight device enables you to send SOS signals in case of an emergency, alerting rescue teams of your exact location, even in areas with no cellular coverage. In addition to emergency alerts, the device allows you to send check-in messages to family or friends, keeping them informed of your status. The long-taning battery ensures that the Spot Gen 4 can be used over extended periods, even in remote areas. The device also offers trackable routes, so you can map your journey and find your way back if necessary. Omni Blade Machete. The Omni Blade Machete is a multifunctional survival tool designed to handle tough tasks in the wilderness. This high-quality machete features a full-tang stainless steel blade that provides durability and strength, making it ideal for chopping through dense brush, small trees, or clearing paths. The blade is designed with a sharp edge on both sides, allowing you to perform a wide variety of tasks from preparing firewood to hunting or even self-defense. The ergonomic rubber handle ensures a firm, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the included nylon sheath provides convenient storage and transport. The Omni Blade Machete is an essential tool for any wilderness survivalist looking for a reliable and versatile cutting tool. BeaverCraft AX1 Hutchet. The BeaverCraft AX1 Hatchet is a top-notch tool for survivalists who need a reliable and versatile hatchet for tasks like chopping, splitting wood, and preparing firewood. Featuring a high-carbon steel blade that holds a sharp edge, the AX1 provides excellent cutting power and a compact, easy-to-handle design. The ergonomically designed wooden handle ensures comfort and control, making it ideal for long hours of use. Whether you're setting up camp, building shelter, or performing other essential wilderness tasks, the BeaverCraft AX1 offers precision and power in every swing. This hatchet is especially useful for tasks that require a balance of power and control, making it indispensable for your survival toolkit. The high-quality craftsmanship and durability make it a long-lasting investment for anyone serious about surviving in the wilderness. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more essential survival gear and tips. Got a favorite wilderness tool we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your recommendations. Stay safe, stay ready, and keep adventuring.